Hello everyone, how are you all? I am Siddharth Kumar Jha and today I welcome you in the lecture of digital image processing. So in the last lecture we have understand the spatial and gray level resolution and how they affect image quality. So today we will move to an exciting and practical topic which is your zooming and shrinking digital images. So these operations are very common in our day-to-day life, whether we zoom into a photo or our photo or to shrink an image to reduce its size for uploading. So let's explore this operation and perform and their impact of the resolution and clarity. So let's get started. So for that, as usual, I have to go to my notepad. Just hold a second. Okay, so let's make our topic, which is zooming. So zooming is a simply means to like enlarging a picture in the sense that the details in an image becomes more visible and clear. Okay, so zooming simply means simply means enlarging a picture in a sense that the details in the image become visible and clear. Visible and clear. Okay, so zooming an image has many wide application ranging from zooming through a camera lens to the zoom an image on internet, etc. Okay, so let's understand one example. So just for a second, I am pasting a image over here. Okay, see here, the first image was the original one. Okay, and this was what happened to my pen. Just a second. Yeah. So see, this is the original one, and you have zoomed it. So for the detailed or clear visualization. So this is about the zooming concept. Okay. So let's move further, and we'll understand the types of zooming. So types of 1 minute. Types of zooming. So in this. There are so many types. Basically, I think three types are there. So the first one is your pre-processing zoom. Okay. So pre-processing, pre-processing zoom. So the first step include the zooming before taking an particular image. This is known as the pre-processing zoom. And this zoom involves your hardware and your mechanical movement. Okay. So let me write it down. So the first step include zooming before zooming before taking a particular image, okay, and this is known as pre-processing zoom, okay, and uh, this zoom involves this zoom involves this zoom involves your hardware and mechanical movement. Okay, so I hope I am clear. So let's move for the next type. So the second type is your process zoom. So what it is? So this is basically the second step. The second step is to zoom once on an image has been captured. Okay, when you have captured an image and after that you are zooming, so this is called as your process zooming. So it is done through it can done through many different many different algorithm algorithm in which we manipulate pixels. We manipulate, hold a second, manipulate pixel. Okay, we manipulate a pixel to zoom in required portion, to zoom in required pixels or your required portion. Okay, so this is, I hope, clear. So the next one is your optical zoom. Okay, so the last one is your optical zoom. So what it is basically, so the optical zoom, let me write it down. It is achieved using a movement of the lens of your camera of your camera. Okay, so an optical zoom is actually a true zoom. So the result of the optical zoom is far better than that digital zoom. In optical zoom, an image is magnified by the lens in such a way that the object in the image appear to be closer than the camera. Okay, so the next one is your, I think I am left with the one more, which is your digital zoom. Okay, so digital zoom. So it is digital zoom is basically a image processing within a camera. So let me write it down. Image image processing within a camera. Okay. So during a digital zoom, the center of the image is magnified and the edges of the picture got crop out. So due to magnified center, it look like the object is closer to you. Okay. So now we will understand the zooming methods. Okay. So the zooming methods are like your pixel replication, okay, and zoom order hold method and zoom kth time. Okay. So let me write it down. The zooming method, just a second. Zooming method in which the first one is your pixel replication replication and the second one is your zero order hold, and the last one is your zooming kth time kth time. Okay, so I hope you get the clear visualization of the zooming concept and the types of zooming and the methods which we are using in the zooming. So okay, so first understand the pixel replication. So in the pixel replication, So suppose there is one image is given to you, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay. So you have to apply the pixel replication. So how you are going to do that? So it will be like you are just copying that value and you are writing it. Okay. So since here it is 2 cross 2, so the output will become as 4 cross 4. Okay. So it will become as 4 cross 4. So how you will write like 1, 1, 1, 1, like that. Okay. You are copying it the same value in the row and in the column also. Okay. So let's understand it by step. Okay. So it will be lengthy for you if I will tell you here only. So first you will write like 1, 1, 2, 2 and 3, 3, 4, 4, like that. Okay. So it is your what? Row replication. Here you have applied row replication, and now you will do the column replication. So for the column you have to write like 1, 1, 2, 2, and then again 1, 1, 2, 2, then 3, 3, 4, 4, and 3, 3, and 4, 4. Okay. So this is how a pixel replication works. I hope this is clear. So now, what we have did, we have just copy the first column and paste it over there, and then we have just copied the first row and paste it over there. Okay. So this is how the pixel replication works. So the next one is your what? Zero order halt. So let's see that one. So let me write it down. Zero order hold. Okay. Zero order hold. So, sorry. So here, what we are doing. So suppose this is a matrix given of an image. It is like your 40, 20, 10, 70, 50, 30, and your 90, 80, 10, 90, 80, and 10. Okay. So what you will do? So you will like write 40 and then 40, then 20 and then 20, and 10 then 10. Okay. And like that, 70, 70, 50, 50, 30, 30, 30, 30, and then 90, 90, 90, 80, 80, and your 10, 10. Okay. So this is called your zero order hold with column and column. Okay. So it is basically the three type. The first one is your row, column, column, and row, column. So this is, I think, clear. So the next one is your what? Zooming kth time. Okay. So zooming kth time. So in this, basically what we are doing. So suppose I have one matrix given. So for like 8, 4, 8, 8, and your 8, 4, sorry, 8, 4, 8, and 4, 8, 4, 4, 8, 4, and your 8, 8, 2. So what you will do? So you in this basically you are taking the average. Okay. So first of all you will take the average of 8 comma 4. So it will be how much? Suppose k value is 2. Okay. So 8 plus 4 divided by 2. So how much? 6. So 8, 4, and in between it will come 6. Like that, the next one. So 4 comma 8. So average will be 6, and you will write like 4. So this is how you are doing. So now it will come like 4, 6, 8, 6, 4, and the next one, it will come like 3, 3, and here it will come like 8, 6, 8 it's 16, so 8, 8, 8, and 5, and here what will be 2. So I hope this is clear. So like that, now we'll be do it for the column also. So for that, I am not writing it because it's going to be a large video. So I hope this is clear for you. So in this video, I hope you get the basic understanding of the zooming and the concept and the method and types of zooming. So this is all about the today's video. So in the next, we shall explore the pixel replication, pixel relationship, including the neighbors, adjacency, and your connectivity and your region and boundaries that will form a basic segmentation and advanced processing. Okay. So if you have liked this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So see you in the next video. Tab tak ke liye keep learning and keep exploring. Bye bye.